Question 4. Find the inverse of the matrix A with entries. The first row 3, 4, the second row 5, 2, and use it to solve the equations 3s plus 4y equal to 1 and 5s plus 2y equal to 3. Solution. We have 2 in 1, so you need to get the inverse of this matrix. The inverse is denoted by A to the power of minus 1. Now the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix is 1 over determinant, and determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is the difference between the two products. You start with the main diagonal, that is 3 times 2, minus the second diagonal 5 times 4, 1 over determinant. Then what you have here, the main diagonal, you interchange the position of the entries. You have 2, 5, and the second diagonal, you negate it. That is, you use minus 1 to multiply 4 and 5. You have this result. If you simplify this, you have 1 over 6 minus 20. This remains the same, and you have minus 1 over 14 times the matrix. So this is the inverse of matrix A. Now we are asked to solve these equations. To solve the equations using the matrix inverse, we need to define about 3 matrices. The first one is matrix A, and it is the coefficient matrix. You can do that from the S. So you have S column 3, 5. You have Y column 4, 2. That is what you have here. Secondly, you define the variable matrix as S. What you are solving for, S and Y. And thirdly, the constant matrix B, that is the right hand side, is a column matrix, so B is equal to 1, 3. In matrix form, if you write the system in matrix form, you have the coefficient matrix times the variable matrix equal to the constant matrix. That is AS equal to B. Now, we are to get S. To get S, you use the inverse of the coefficient matrix A to multiply both sides. So you have S equal to inverse of A times B. Previously, the inverse is this. Now, matrix S is what you have here, and matrix B is what you have here. So the inverse times matrix B. Let's keep this term outside and multiply. Now you have the first row to multiply the only column. That is 2 times 1 plus minus 4 times 3. And the second row to multiply the only column as well. You have minus 5 times 1 plus 3 times 3. That simplifies to this. You have 2 minus 12, then minus 5 plus 9. This matrix, you bring it down, equal to minus 1 over 14. If you add this, you have minus 10, and here you have 4. Now you divide each entry by minus 1 over 14. Sorry, you multiply each entry. So minus 1 over 14 times minus 10 becomes 10 over 14, which reduces to 5 over 7. Secondly, minus 1 over 14 times 4. you have minus 4 over 14, which reduces to minus 2 over 7. By equality of matrices, the first entry here, S, is equal to the first entry here, 5 over 7. The second entry here, Y, is equal to the second entry here, minus 2 over 7. That's the values of S and Y respectively.